Pyle here at Tray 5 Customs. We're working on my 1970 C10. We got a new interior for it. We're going to install it today.
All right, so this is the seat bracket that's meant to attach the seats into that truck. So these are the sliders that bolt the seat to the seat bracket. Seats out of the box, brackets out of the box, hardware here, even provides you an Allen head. Let's flip the seat upside down and we'll get these sliders on. We have both tracks loose here, just held on with one bolt. This is the connecting rod that's going to connect our lever so it releases the teeth off of both sides. I've already got the little clips off of it, but basically we leave them loose so that we can get that through there. We've got the rod placed through both of the sliders, so now we need to get a pair of pliers and try to get this down and get that through there, and that'll lock it in place. We got the rod connected to both sliders. We got our front bolts in and snug. Now we can actually operate the sliders and get to the rear bolts and get those tightened up. Here's the seat bracket we talked about earlier. Basically got it set up so we can slide this on here, hopefully. Use the provided hardware here and bolt these chickens to the frame. Here's a look at the seats mounted up to the bracket. Now we can take this whole assembly and throw it in the truck as soon as Hector's ready. But let's get the center console buddy bucket seat out and show you guys what that looks like real quick. This is TMI's new buddy bucket system. So basically it's got a seat that folds up plus some extra little storage. But it's so new that their bracket that they provided us doesn't have the holes for the slider, because this thing will actually slide forward and backwards too. So we're gonna get the holes marked, get them drilled, and get this mounted up. We got the buddy bucket all bolted down. It has its own slider. So kind of cool, you can put it wherever you want, lock it in place, have a third passenger, or store some of your stuff. Pretty cool.
Before we put our interior in, Vibro Solutions sent us this dampening material. It's a C10 kit that covers everything from the firewall to the back wall. It reduces road noise, provides thermal insulation, and it is super easy to install. All the panels are self-adhesive, so you peel it off. You put it where you're gonna lay it down at, and you roll it on.
This is Vibro's 15 millimeter. It's kind of like it's an acoustical type foam. So if you've ever seen a sound room or something, it's got the pattern to it, so it'll kill a lot more sound vibes. We're gonna put this on the back wall of the cab. It's probably the most important, really the only place you need it. Keep that back wall from resonating too much. Let's check it out. We already peeled the paper off the adhesive back, so right now this stuff's super sticky. And this is just gonna go right over that 2 millimeter stuff and really cut down on sound vibrations on this back wall. This stuff is super sticky too. This is Vibro's 5 millimeter, so a little bit thinner than the acoustical stuff, but same type of peel away backing. Again, this stuff is super sticky. This is gonna go on the floor and some of the firewall, if we can get it up there.
We got all the Vibro Solutions stuff in. Now we're gonna install the carpet kit from TMI.
We're at Chrome Guy, trying to pick up some parts for Pyle's truck so we can get the interior wrapped up today. And buddy Edwin over here is helping us out, find what we need. They kind of have everything here, so when we need something quick and in town, make a little scoot over here and grab our parts.
Can I see your credit card? Don't show my wife that video.
2 door seals for 2 door openings. DWR will be right, DWL will be left. So that one goes that way, this one goes this way. Now watch how easy this is. See, the key is to start in the corner, because we have a corner. So you start there, and just work your way around.
Putting these seal plates in, holds the carpet down, holds the weather stripping down.
Boom. Boom. So we just picked up this gauge bezel, one of the things we grabbed when we were over at Chrome Guy. Dakota Digital provided us with these HDX gauges. They mount up really simply on this truck. Throw that guy upside down, and then that guy drops right into it.
We put the pedal mount in, we put the Dakota Digital gauges in, so now we got to put in the I Did It column. So we have to put the firewall grommet for the column and the bracket, then we can slide the column in through there.
Grab my shaft, bro.
Trying. Uh-oh, gotta get it in the hole first.
Is it in?
Oh, hold on. Ah.
So this thing just goes in, uses the factory brackets, and bolts right up.
We're getting ready to install the seat. We want to clean out the threads in here, so we're using a tap to chase them, just to clean the threads out. So when we do put the seat in, we don't have any problem screwing the bolts in.
You're the little guy, so you're gonna climb through.
Okay.
And I'll wait on the other end.
Perfect.
From the other side.
All right, we're gonna move on to the door panels. TMI provides this nice installation guide. They also provide the templates and lets you know what you need to get this door panel on the door. I'm about to split the molded template here because it's for right and left doors. So they come joined together, so you gotta separate them. All right, this is a template for the bottom holes of the door panel. So it tells you to cut along the line. So here we go. We lay out the template on the door. It kind of gives you some the same shape as the door. So we'll mark up the holes, double check the door panel, and we'll drill some holes. The molded template that we cut in half goes right here. Has the hole that lines up there, and all these other ones. Has the same shape. All right, we got all our holes laid out, so now we're gonna drill them out. We got the supplied bracket on, and it comes with the screws as well, so we're gonna tighten this up. These are molded door panels, so they fit kind of snug, so you just gotta apply pressure and make them fit. They supply this door pocket with the hardware, and it fits in there snug. Shout out to the Chrome Shop for having all these door handles in stock. All right, we got the TMI dash pad. It's got 3 studs hanging down, so you just line those up. You kind of got to lift it. TMI sent us a 5-bolt steering wheel, so we got an adapter from them, but we also got an adapter from I Did It, so we're going to figure out which one we're going to use. We're putting the adapter for the steering wheel on. We've got to make sure we clock it about the 11 o'clock position for the horn. We got the buddy console, Pro Classic seats, molded sport door panels. We're ready to go, wrapped up on the interior. Super excited. Thanks, TMI. Pio here, Trey 5 Customs. That's it. That's about all we got. 2 lines. Pio here, Trey 5 Customs. Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. This is my 1970 C10. We're going to be putting TMI interior in it. I didn't know what to follow up with that. Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. We're going to be working on my 1970 C10 project. Damn it. Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. We got my 1970 C10 truck. We're here down at the shop on a Saturday. Blah, 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 blah. Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. We're down here on a Saturday working on my 1970 C10 truck. We're about to transform the interior. Not transform because there's nothing in there. Boop. Okay, Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. We're down here on a Saturday. Pio here at Trey 5 Customs. We're down here on a Saturday Pio here with Trey 5 Customs. We're here down on a... Okay, here we go again.
Pio here with Trey 5 Customs. We're down at the shop today on a Saturday to work on my personal truck. It's a 1970 C10. We'll be throwing in all these awesome parts from TMI Products. Check it out.
What's up, everybody? We're right here at the new Trey 5 shop. We got brand new interior. We got Dakota Digital. We got seats. We got door panels. We got it all.